Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Tomlinson 1007699. This is a cup dispenser for in-counter or cabinet-mounted in-counter or cabinet-mounted installations. It can go into a wall, basically, or into a countertop, versus not being installed on a stand is what I'm what I'm driving at. This is a stainless steel cup dispenser. This is also known as the CF1003 and is the small model of the group of 4 that are available. Installation instructions are going to be included. A parts diagram is going to be included, and it's also down below this video as well for you to review. So the 1007699 is for extra small cups. Okay, there is a chart down below that will show the 4 different sizes, and this is the smallest model. When you purchase this, you're going to get the black clamp ring, they call this. We're going to pull that off here right now and show you the parts. And that's put down there, and you just have to pull it off because it's compressed over on top of the gasket. There we go. So we get all the pieces. Nothing to lose, nothing to be concerned of. There's not really hardly any pieces. Black clamp ring, that's called. Well, it's called a clamp ring. Happens to be black. This is the gasket that you're going to use. This is the, like I said, for extra small portions. The CSF1003, that is going to be the number 1 gasket, also known as the 1905841. And what you have to look out for when you're purchasing any Tomlinson Modular dispensing system is simply this. What are you going to dispense? And in particular, what's the diameter? So this client is obviously, when they're ordering the entire cup dispenser, is already dealing with a lip diameter of 1 7/16 to 2 3/8, because that's what this gasket will allow to be pulled through it. So the 1007699 gets you the dispenser and the gasket for that size. That's the bottom line. There is, and actually, this is the only size gasket. Again, this is a 1905-841 gasket that will work in this model. Okay, not very common that we sell this because it's an awfully petite cup diameter. 1 7/16. That's a small cup. But anyway, that's what it's for. However, you can envision a water cooler where in a truck terminal, where all you're really giving out are tiny little cups. And as a matter of fact, my local ice cream store has one of these for clients, courtesy, is the bottom line. So and then there's a table down below that shows you the different CSF numbers, and those change dimensionally. This changes dimensionally, as does the gasket size that it's going to come with, and therefore and then also the compatibility of other gaskets that will work for those. Now, you're going to get the pusher. That's just called the pusher. You're going to get the spring. The spring is available. I have sold these in the past, but it's really with exceptionally high volume usage that you would replace a spring. There's nothing else in here to take apart. This is threaded. I don't see any reason for you to take that apart whatsoever. This will obviously mount into the counter or into the wall with this flange. You're going to get screws, and they're in that box. I saw the package of screws down in the box for attaching that. Then once you physically install it, you just push your spring back down. Your pusher will go on. And obviously your gasket will come over, and then your clamp ring will just simply hold it all on. And that's how you reload this item as well. Okay. Now, we have, there we go. There is also the dimensional properties of this unit that you can see in that chart. And this is, again, the CSF 1003 column. And I'm going to go over the basic dimensions here on my desk so that I can confirm that that's accurate. They've got an overall length of the tube itself, the B dimension, at 22.5, and indeed my tape measure tells me 22 3/8. 22 3/8. The C dimension they've got is 3 3/32. Let's give that a look. That would be accurate as well. About 3 1/4 or so diameter. They've got a dimension, which would be a dimension of the outside dimension of the clamp ring itself. They have it at 4 21/32. 4 5/8 maybe? Yeah, I'd say that. About 4 11/16. 4 11/16. Then the mounting hole diameter is the D dimension from that chart, and they've got it at 3 1/2. And I would sure have no problem with it being 3 1/2 because the outside diameter of the mounting flange is about 4 1/2. So a 3 1/2 inch hole is what you're going to drill for that installation. Putting that clamp ring on is best, kind of working it around because you don't want to pinch too much of the gasket inside. Getting it evenly spaced around is the idea. Now, the description. Self-adjusting, spring-loaded, in-counter or cabinet-mounted cup dispenser. Dispenser tube is made of stainless steel. I'm not going to... No, it's not. Dispenser tube. This is not obviously made of steel. The flange likely could be stainless. But this tube is anything but stainless. It's obviously a zinc corrosion resistant coated item. The magnet says otherwise. Stainless does pick up magnetic properties when it's machined, but not to that extent. So obviously ferrous-based material that's there. And that's the balance of the information in the extended description. Now there's the dimensional property chart down below. There's also the chart that shows the different correlation of model number to description. There is a link down below to the gasket reference chart, which is helpful. The only trouble is they don't tell you that, or they do, but they indirectly tell you the 1007699 is just the CSF 1003. I'm not sure why there are two part numbers involved, so I don't know, but it's helpful to know that the 1007699 equals CSF 1003. There's a link to the product brochure as well, which is handy. It's just a 2-page document that will show you that item with its sister products. And then finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up all things modular dispensing equipment related from Tomlinson. They have a comprehensive offering of this material, and it can handle a variety of size of items. The people who are buying this stuff are ice cream shops, pizza places, convenience stores, gas stations, places like that that have a need for this material. If you have any questions on the Tomlinson Modular 1007699 stainless cup dispenser, they call it stainless, don't know why, or any other Tomlinson product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.